According to the structure and the grammar, the sentence is divided into three kinds: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. The complex sentence is made up of one principal clause and subordinate clause. The subordinate clause may be two or more than, maybe one or more than one. The subordinate clause is conjuncted using conjunction. That conjunctions are known as a subordinate conjunction. The subordinate clauses has three kinds: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverbial clause. Noun clause. What is known as a noun clause? Noun clause is a clause which work as noun. Noun clause is a clause which work as noun. Work as noun means same as the naming words in a sentence. Just like whenever someone asks with you, what is your name? What reply you will be given? You will tell your name. That is a noun. Same as in the sentence, the part of the sentence which is subordinate clause, when that clause work as a noun, that is known as a noun clause. Adjective clause, the subordinate clause in the sentence which work as adjective. Adjective means which define or describe or qualify the noun of the main sentence, that is known as adjective clause. Adverbial clause, the part of the sentence, the subordinate clause which work as adverb. Adverb means which qualify, give the reason, give the time, and everything about the verb of the main sentence, that is known as adverbial clause. Look at the example for the noun clause. He said that he would buy a house. Look carefully. He said that he would buy a house. Can you identify that what is the main clause here and what is subordinate clause? Because only the subordinate clause may be noun, adjective, or adverbial clause. So that it is necessary to find out what is main clause and what is subordinate clause. He said that he would buy a house. This is the conjunction and the part of the sentence which conjuncted by this conjunction, that is the subordinate clause. So that he would buy a house, this is the subordinate clause, and he said, this is the main clause. In this main clause, this is subject and this is the verb. Get it? This is the subject and this is the verb. Now, first I told that noun clause is a part of the sentence which work as noun. In any sentence, the noun work as a subject or as object. The subject or as object of the verb. Object of the verb. In the main sentence, what is the verb? Said. What is the verb? Said. So, if we ask what quotient with the said, what quotient with the said means, the quotient may be said, what did he say? Get it? We are asking the question with this verb, no? What he said that he would buy a house. With which word we are asking the question? Said. What question we are created? What did he say? And when we ask, when we get the answer, what did he say? He said that he would buy a house. This complete sentence we are getting in the reply, in our answer. Because this word giving the answer of this verb, so that this is working as the object of this verb. As this is working as object of this verb, object that may be noun or the pronoun. So that as this is working, this whole sentence is working as a noun. That's why what is it? Noun clause. What is it? Noun clause. In noun clause, the word that काम करता है किसके लिए? बिल्कुल किसके जैसा? की. उसने कहा कि he would buy a house. The next, I hoped that it was true. What? Again we'll ask the with the verb. What question? What? What date? You hope. I hoped that it was true. What did you hope? That it was true. That's what is it? Noun clause. I feel that it is wrong. What do you feel? That it is wrong. Understand that this word is working as object of this verb. Object means that is a noun. So that what is this sentence? A noun clause. Come to the adjective clause. This is the man who helped me yesterday. This is the man who helped me yesterday. One thing maybe you notice that this is the conjunction, and the part of the sentence which is conjuncted with this conjunction, this is the subordinate clause and this is the main clause. Same that as we get here, the part of the sentence which is conjuncted with this conjunction, that is known as the subordinate clause. In this also, who helped me yesterday, this is the subordinate clause and this is what? Main clause. Now look at, this is the man who helped me yesterday. What this portion is telling us? This portion of the sentence, this subordinate clause is qualifying the man, telling something about the man. So that what is it? Adjective clause. And this is working same as the adjective. Now this is the house that Jack built. This is the house that Jack built. Just before this conjunction, what is here? A noun. Same as here, just before this conjunction, what is here? A noun, and this is qualifying this noun. This is the house that Jack built. Just before this conjunction, here is a noun, and this noun is being qualified by this conjunction that it is telling about the house that it is built by whom? Jack. She can have anything that she likes. She can have anything for a thing, means it is the pronoun for something and the conjunction that is qualifying this. So that what is it? Adjective clause. Get it? Means adjective clause में जो that conjunction है वो किसके लिए वर्क करता है? जो. और noun clause में जो that conjunction है वो किसके जैसा वर्क करता है? की. ठीक है? और दोनों में डिफरेंस मालूम करने के लिए एक और चीज है जो हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. हमको हमेशा नाउन क्लॉज में दैट के पहले वर्ब मिलेगा और एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज में दैट के पहले नाउन या प्रोनाउन मिलेगा जिसको वो क्वालिफाई कर रहे हैं. और नाउन क्लॉज में दैट के पहले क्या मिलेगा हमें? वर्ब. गेट इट? हियर एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज में जो दैट कंजक्शन है वो ऐसा दिखाई दे रहा होता है जैसे कि वो इज नाउन के लिए यहाँ पर प्रोनाउन का वर्क कर रहा है. दिस इज द हाउस दैट. दिस इज द हाउस दैट. विच हाउस? दिस हाउस. तो इसके लिए यहाँ पर ये किसकी तरह वर्क कर रहा है? प्रोनाउन, एज दिस इज इंडिकेटिंग द सेम हाउस. बस इतना ही तो बताना था.